GBM Works successfully installed 3 monopiles at Holland's Acoust West Wind Farm in March 2026. In this video, we explain how a comparable installation using Vibrojet with flexible internal hoses contributes to our mission to accelerate the energy transition. We let water do the work. How does it work? The monopiles are prepared on shore, fitted with a fixed internal jet head and flexible hoses. These are connected to a flange below the vibrohammer above the water level. The vibrohammer hydraulic connections, power units, inlet feed lines, and feedline pump system are on deck. All systems are reused throughout the installation campaign. The inlet feed lines are connected to the monopile on deck via remote disconnects, enabling the fluid dynamic path. The vibrohammer appends the monopile and the installation is ready to go. The jetting system and vibrohammer are activated and the driving starts. The operator performs the jetting process in a controlled way, balancing flow and pressure. If necessary, controlled jetting is extended under the toe of the monopile while prioritizing bearing capacity. This technique enables faster, more cost-effective, and quieter installation to the required penetration depth. The installation is now complete. The inlet feed lines are disconnected from the monopile via the remote disconnects and retrieved on deck. The vibrohammer is lifted and unclamped from the monopile. The inlet feed lines are stored on a reel on deck. The submersible pumps are retrieved, and the vessel moves to the next installation point. This design minimizes the impact of installation on the monopile. It reduces risk and lowers installation costs. GBM Works. Foundations built by water. Contact us to be part of the next generation of Vibrojet.